Welcome everyone, we got another hard reset. We got the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro 6 today. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. This one, I'm actually missing the back cover, but no big deal. Don't really need it to do the hard reset, but if you have one of these, you got a pattern, password, you forgot what it is, and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. And just as a reminder, we got a ton of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you guys want to see anything special, just drop a comment. If you haven't yet, subscribe. We appreciate all that. But let's jump right into this one. So you want to make sure the phones are off. In this case, we'll just pop this battery out real quick and make sure that it's off. A little bit faster. And then we have your volume up, your volume down, your power button, and your action button right here. What we want to do is hold volume up and hold power at the same time. So I'll hold volume up first, then I'll hold power. Once the phone turns off, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And then it gets us to our, to our reset menu. You can use your volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. And we want to scroll to wipe data factory reset, then hit the power button and confirm. And it's deleting. And it's done. So now we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off. But if you did reboot it, it would just load to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone to the home screen and set it up how you wish. Looks like it's rebooting anyways. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro 6. If you guys want to see anything special, like I said, just drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.